So we are live at the Chef Petso Rajkot. It was raining cats and dogs here. So we are live on Instagram. This is the Keval Rockstar. Jai Jani the Roadie.
I am.
Yeah. As you can see, the vibe at Chef Petso is crazy. You know, probably this is one of those parties which I'm so proud. This was totally unexpected. Like the decor you see, you know, the decor. The decor, the DJ, organized, the food, everything is so on point. And everybody is asking me, what the hell you are doing in Goa? And this is not Goa, this is Rajkot. Rajkot is upgrading, and how? You see the detailing here. He's the rockstar Shakti. So all the members are like friends and families here. And you see everybody is enjoying, having the blast in Rajkot. It was raining cats and dogs. It is still drizzling, but still people are enjoying the Halloween party at the fullest. And the DJ, he is dropping some bombs here, like literally. Bruggen Bhai, Chef Petso team, Vikram Bhai, you people have done amazing job. Tia Ben, since it is raining, the weather is not favorable for Tia Ben has not joined us today. But I have uploaded the Halloween party that we have done in the house, like at the home we have done. But you see, so the people who have not joined from Rajkot, Como Gaira Rakho, and the people who have joined they are not even giving them to open Instagram because it is so fun here. So this is Power Gunagat from the Halloween party of Chef Petso, the best party. And we have finally found the Vikram sir who has, managed to put. So Vikram sir has done all the hard work here, from the decor to the DJ to everything that you are seeing
Marketing,
here.
especially.
Yeah, to promote this kind of parties in Rajkot, it is very difficult. And from on my Instagram, people are asking in which location in Goa you are here.
You are the whole Goa.
Yeah.
You can witness here the whole Goa vibe.
Exactly.
It's crazy! Woohoo! Let's go!
So with humans like Vikram sir in Rajkot, this is all possible with Bruggen Bhai, who is visionary entrepreneurs here, hotelier here. We are able to enjoy this kind of parties. They are very exclusive, very limited, and kudos to these people here. These people are putting a lot of hard work. With all the detailings, all the marketing stuff, and building something like this in Rajkot, it is really difficult. And pulling this crowd, building, organizing a party is one thing, and pulling a crowd is one another thing. I'll show you the vibe here. It is houseful.
Please take your viewer here.
It is houseful. You see, it is houseful. અહીંયા honestly કહું ને, honestly, ઈજ મૂકવાની જગ્યા નથી, પગ મૂકવાની જગ્યા નથી. And the DJ knows what is the Rajkot taste. So we are having unlimited fun. And now Pavla also wants to join the party. This was a special video for my Instagram family to know કે રાજકોટ ક્યાં છે, રાજકોટ કઈ ટાઈપની પાર્ટી હોસ્ટ કરે છે, રાજકોટમાં કઈ ટાઈપના હોટેલિયર રેસ્ટોરન્ટર્સ એન્ડ ઓન્ટરપ્રિન્યોર્સ છે આ ટાઈપની પાર્ટીઝ કરે છે. Vikram sir, any final words you want to give to the viewers?
If you are not here, you are freaking missing the best night of Rajkot. It's crazy, guys. What are you doing at home? Come here, enjoy this wonderful evening only at Chef Fatso.
Baba Gunagar and Vikram sir signing
Let's go,
off.
Paulo Escobar.
Now let's enjoy the party.
Let's go. Uh-oh. That's so sad for you guys.
And we are open till 1 more hour.
Or I can't say it's a surprise, but you can come here.
Come.
If you don't want to miss it out, most welcome.
રાજકોટમાં 15-20 મિનિટથી આગું કાંઈ નથી. If you are in Rajkot, come and be a part of this amazing